Hello everyone! Today I'm going to paint a landscape with watercolor. I will show you the whole process, so come along with me and enjoy the video. I'm beginning with a simple sketch, and it really should be simple, just to remind you where to place everything. And as you can see, the image is divided with composition lines according to the rule of thirds, just to make the picture look more pleasing to the eyes. I'm drawing a circle in the place where I want to paint the moon, but it will not be actually painted. In order to make this possible, I'm using a paint masking liquid. I'm applying it with a simple brush and just waiting for it to dry. The first step before painting the sky is making the surface wet to spread the watercolor more easily. And I'm doing it with a wide brush. And I think this is what many people do when using this type of paint. And I recommend using a hairdryer just to make the process much more fast. Next I'm going to build a gradient spreading from the blue sky to the orange line of horizon. And maybe that was a mistake to mix these colors with each other, however I think that result is going to be nice. And then tilting the paper a bit to make the paint flow to the bottom. And again, using the hairdryer. Now it's time to paint the first layer of the landscape. I'm using a green hue, trying to merge it with the orange line of the horizon. You will later see how I use it to create a nice effect of bigger contrast on the upper edge of this layer. I'm beginning with a round brush and then spreading the rest of the paint with the same white brush I used for the sky before. And another nice thing about the hairdryer, it makes the paper less wrinkled. Then I'm trying to make the sky a bit darker. And what I have learned from this, you should make long soft movements with the brush, otherwise the image will appear just too much irregular. As you can see, adding new layers on top of the primary one can give you much more intense color. And now it's time to add the next landscape layer, again with the soft round brush. And as I mentioned it before, making the upper edge more intense looks more natural. If you have a problem with too much water, just use a piece of paper tissue. Now, let's bring some life to the landscape. So it's time to paint the trees. Of course, it's a winter landscape, so there won't be many leaves on the branches. Hence, I'm now using a much smaller brush. To create a natural tree color, I mix the red paint with some black hue. Now, I'm filling the remaining space of the horizon with the same orange tone, trying to make it not too much intense. Adding some more plants to the terrain. And then, completing the landscape with the last layer to fill the empty space in the bottom and create more depth in the picture. And obviously, its color is more intense than the feather ones. Now, we're approaching to the end of the process. The image is more realistic with some birds, the Milky Way with stars, and the moon after removing the masking liquid. I'm finally using a white crayon and a drawing pen for additional features. And that's the final result. Hi, I'm Chris, the man behind this channel. If you want to see more about painting or listen to me playing the guitar, check out these videos. You can also visit my Instagram account and see some of my landscape photos and many more. Thanks for watching, feel free to leave a comment and see you in the next video.